If you want to know how can you cancel the ChatGPT subscription, or basically the ChatGPT Plus subscription, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you how. We'll need to use the official app by ChatGPT. So go ahead and open the app, make sure you are logged in, and then tap on the three lines in the top left corner right here. And then from here tap on settings, of course. Once you go to settings, now tap on subscriptions right under your email. So tap on subscriptions. And from here, you find the type of subscription that you have, and you can tap on it and then go ahead and cancel it. And you can still use the features right till the end of your subscription expiration date. After that, if you want to go to your browser, you can go to ChatGPT or chat.openai.com to go to ChatGPT, tap right in the top left corner. But from here, for some reason, you cannot cancel the subscription. It's only possible on the app. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.